Yay!
Go look on the couch. Did he come? Did he bring you presents?
Yes.
How is that?
Hi,
Did
hello.
they bring us presents?
Go look on the couch. Do you see presents?
Yeah. And what?
Edie, start over here and then do the couch.
$20. Don't Chile. Whoa! What? This one is my Peppa Pig playhouse.
It is your Peppa Pig playhouse.
A box. What's inside this box? What's inside this box? You gotta open
That's your
it.
favorite rug?
Really? You got a favorite rug? Show me your favorite rug.
Yeah, and what's inside
Wow.
that box?
It's a birthday rug?
It's a frozen rug, she says.
Help.
Hey, let's help.
Isn't too strong of a grip.
Yeah, looks like
It's Santa. Santa brought this stuff for
Ow!
you.
Yeah.
Play-Doh. Look. Mama's making a mess.
Hey, I'm not. It was an empty bowl.
That's like Santa.
Yeah, it's frozen. Look, you have a frozen rug.
Yeah, and Santa just bringing the Peppa Pig playhouse.
You have
Can you
Minnie.
help me
Cool.
open my Peppa Pig?
You must have been a good girl.
You know, the Mickey is Oliver's.
Yeah, the Mickey is all of us.
Hi.
Yeah?
What's in
What's in here?
Looks like inside is Play-Dohs. Take it out.
You got books? Cool.
Can you help me open my...
Peppa Pig
Can you
playhouse?
help me open... Look, and...
Let's take
Can you
this
help me open my... Hey, Dad, can you help me
Did you get some more nightgowns?
playhouse?
I'd love to see over here.
Open the top one. Oh, Dad, hold one. Again. It's stuck in the box.
Mama won't buy you.
I actually got what I wanted.
What'd you get?
I said, remember last Christmas I asked for 2 Nerf guns? I got 2 Nerf guns, but that one's not Nerf gun.
Oh, Edie, wait. Edie, we're not there yet.
Whoa!
Stop, Edie.
So I got $20 and Tokonatsu.
You did get Ariel. We gotta wait till Dad is ready to open the stockings. We'll do stockings all together, okay? So you your brothers are ready too, okay? Go play with
Gotta
yourself.
open the back one.
I need to get some scissors.
Yeah, we need some scissors to cut it. Yeah, and we need scissors to cut it.
Did you get that Batman castle?
Hey, Evie, here's your frozen. And pick your card out. Right here you go. We're just gonna cut this.
Oh.
For that
This is
Peppa
splendid,
Pig
splendid.
playhouse.
What do you think about?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a $15 gift
What
certificate to
is it?
iTunes.
Yeah.
Those are rare.
Do you want me to take the tray on this?
This is one Nerf gun.
You gotta get all your toys on.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
apart. One more piece.
Thank you.
Did you get me your bag?
Like the trash bag?
Yeah.
Can you help me with Peppa and George?
It's gonna take a minute.
It's still. Yeah, you gotta help me open this Peppa.
There's our table.
Yeah, thank you.
There's Pepper and George.
And here's Peppa and George.
Good, thanks.
And here is their bed.
There you go, Dad.
We're gonna get more presents today. This is a food making kit. That's a food making kit. You got all the foods you can make.
Yeah, you got all the
Even
foods
pizza.
that they can make.
Even pizza.
Film. It's filming. You're supposed to wave and say hello.
Hello. I gotta show
Ty,
the people something.
You get your mini.
Let me show the people something. Gotta get all these. Come back.
Look at Allie. Looks like I got the Peppa Pig Playhouse.
You did? Is that what you asked Santa for?
Yeah, ouch!
Here, can you save him from your Play-Doh? Technically, the Play-Doh is for everybody. Did you also see what you got over there? Look, new goggles.
Got goggles. Everybody gets goggles.
Yeah, we got
Ty, leave the stocking alone. It's not time yet.
Watch, Dad. Ready to shoot real awesomeness? They all launched.
Hey!
I didn't launch it at them.
Did you just shoot your brother?
No. It hopped right over him.
You okay, Ollie? Do you need a hug?
I shot it somewhere it wouldn't shoot anyone. I shot in a straight line to here. They all. And then I do it again and shoot two more.
Landon, hug your brother. Tell him you're sorry for scaring
Sorry.
him. Hug him.
What? I don't know. I don't want to do it.
What now? Whoa, that's a big thing.
Say hi, Dada.
Hi, Mama.
Now look.
Here is Evie.
Now look at the door.
Here
Look at that door.
Evie.
Looks like
Yeah.
Evie, the knuckle head and open your Play-Doh.
Yeah, Oliver got an elephant.
Yeah, Owen just got an elephant.
And I got a bear.
I think it might be a dog.
That's a dog. Be prepared. Make it an elephant.
Oh, what's this? Over there.
That's a monkey. It's Landon's monkey.
Yeah, the slanted
Is
monkey.
it mine? Yes. And my dog?
Do you want the top
Mm-hmm.
one? And this is my elephant.
Did you see all you got some Paw Patrol guys?
Yeah.
Oh! Look, in my book.
Those books are Ollie's.
This is my book.
Those are yours.
Yeah, and me got a Paw Patrol.
Wow.
Very cool.
That's very cool.
Can I bring this?
Can you help me open it?
You open it, please.
No.